Hello, this is Shawn and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you stumbled across this video, it's because you want to know how to create a budget using Excel. So you'd be like, Shawn, I want to use Excel, but I don't know how to build a budget. Like, I don't know anything about formulas. And so stay tuned. I'm going to make sure that you learn how to build a budget using Excel. And so before we get started, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so that you'll be the first one to know when I upload a new video. And so if you already subscribed, welcome back to the Money Control TV. But hey, I'm going to show you how to create a budget using Excel. But before we start, you know, sometimes it's not a budget problem, it's an income problem. And so down in the description, I have put my #1 recommendation, how to make money online. And so, hey, maybe you need extra money to cover some of those bills and their expenses. And so my #1 recommendation is down in the description box right below this video. And so come on, let's dive in. Let's see how we're going to build a budget by using Excel. So here you are, you're looking at my spreadsheet. So go up to File, hit New. It's going to show you this screen that says, look, it says Online Templates. Do you know Excel has so many templates that you don't have to invent a new wheel? You don't have to like build it from scratch. There's so many templates out there, and there's budget templates as well. So go and plug in budget. And it brings you up all of these budget sheets. It's like personal monthly budget, monthly company budget, household monthly budget, blue balance sheets, bill paying checklist, college budget, wedding budgets, tracker. Hey, you guys, you don't have to build a budget from scratch. You can use this budget template and then customize it to make your household. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to hit the personal monthly budget, which I absolutely like, because when it takes you to the next screen, it's going to tell you, hey, hit that create button. So once you hit that create button, it's going to take you to another screen right here. And so here is the screen. Click on that personal monthly budget down below. And then here you go, your personal monthly budget will appear. So all we have to do now at this point is to customize this budget sheet. But first, spend your money on paper first. On purpose. Spend your money first on paper on purpose. So take some time, write down all of your bills, your expenses, any things that you want to do for that upcoming month before you plug it into this worksheet, right? So again, I love this personal monthly budget because look, it tells you how to plug it in, and also it gives you a space where you can actually go back into plug in the actual. So the biggest problems that I see, or some concerns I see, is that people, they do a budget, they project, you know, the cost, but they never go back and plug the actual. So this budget sheet I absolutely love because it breaks it down into categories: housing, entertainment, loans, transportation, insurance, taxes, savings or investment, food, gifts and donation, pets, as you have pets, personal care. So you can go back and customize this this budget sheet. So for example, entertainment. Well, I don't have a video or DVD. I would go back and I put Hula and say, hey, Hula might be $14.99. This is for example. And then after I cover the cost to pay that expense, I'll go back here and put that actual, you guys. And so again, this is a great budget sheet that you can use. And so here, I just showed you how to build a budget using Excel. We didn't have to invent a new wheel. So again, sometimes it's not a budget problem, it's an income problem. So make sure that you go ahead and hit that link down below, and so you can watch the video on my #1 recommendation, how to make money online to cover those expenses when the income is short. So you guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure that you like and comment, and so until next time, I will see you at the next video. Take care, and go ahead, download that budget sheet so we can go ahead and start getting our money right. Bye.